welcome to Chart.js. Today we are diving into the world of Chart.js and TypeScript. Get ready to level up your data visualization game as we walk through the creative, captivating light charts. Step by step, from the setup to customization, I got you covered. By the end of the video, you will be armed with the skills to crafting stunning charts that make your data better. Firstly, before getting into the video, I want to discuss few points on Chart.js and TypeScript. As we know, Chart.js is a powerful JavaScript library for creating a beautiful interactive charts. And recent times, we got to interact with the TypeScript also. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds a static typing to the language, providing better tooling and error detection. Let's start the video by setting your new project. Assuming you have a Node.js and npm installed in your local system, and you can create your next tab with your this command, following command and typing. And we'll be using TypeScript for this project. So yeah, and we'll be using table CSS also, and we'll be using app router for routing purposes. So as you see, project is created. You can run your project by npm run dev. As you see, project is started. Here. So in the next steps, we will initialize the line chart. Okay, the basic setup is completed. Now let's install the React Chart.js. I think the new library is React Chart.js 2. So npm I React Chart.js. This is the command. So it will be installing all the charts we need for the video: line chart, bubble chart, bar charts, and all the things. So the basic installation of React Chart.js is completed. Now let's start with the first chart, line chart. So we created a line chart component in the component section, and we called the line chart component here. This is the line chart component. This is a basic syntax. So here I will be starting with the importing line from React Chart.js to library, and we have to import some other plugins also. That plugins will be used for as title, tooltip, legend, categories, and the basic functionality of the chart JS to function, like to show the graph. It will be helpful from the plugins. Now I am importing it. Import chart as Chart.js category scale, point element, linear scale, title, tooltip, legend, linear element, and this all comes from library called Chart.js. Okay, I haven't installed the Chart.js yet, so let me install npm I Chart.js. Actually, okay, Chart.js. By installing, we need to register this all plugins in the chart component. So we'll be doing as that as Chart.js register After this only we will be using. After this only we can be using these plugins in our local chart system, local line chart, uh, like this, as you can see. So right now let's start with the line chart. This only takes the one parameter called data, and as you can see, we have to pass labels, data, and the label. So uh, for labels, I have actually created a dummy data for this, as you can see here. So we'll import that. Import dummy data from this, and local dummy data dot labels. So as you can see, the labels here, dummy data dot labels. Firstly, I will explain the what the labels and the what the data will be going through is. Firstly, let me set up this. Then I will be going. Once I will be explaining you the how. Here, data will be going as dummy data one. Here we can give label. This is our choice. This is optional actually. And what are red? That's all. So uh, x values of this chart is labels, and the y values represent the data. So here is how I will be like. Here is the dummy data set. Firstly, the basic one line chart is ready. I will be showing you how it will go. Uh, okay, here is the local host. So here is the data, line chart data, and then here is the data set. As you can see, the label only singular data, like it's represents the data type of name, type of the data, name of the data, as you can see. And here is the y column, and here is the x column that represents the labels. Label represents the x column, and the data represents the y column. So it is a single chart. And if you want the double chart also, same here, pass the different data. So right now it got double data. I think we'll put the mark, okay, comma. So as you can see, two lines. This is a simpler data. This is a simple data, normal x values, and you can see tooltip. This tooltip I haven't configured anything, but it's coming. How it will be, how it's coming, I will explain. This as we registered tooltip, this Chart.js, that is the reason it's working. Tooltip. And if we remove this tooltip, it's here. We don't see the values. We don't see the hover values of the tooltips. So this is why the basic plugins are important. It is the basic overview of the line chart in the Chart.js. And for the next video, I will be going to with the how we will be adding the plugins, custom plugins or inbuilt plugins. and how we'll be adding more options, or we'll be vanishing the grid values, we'll be vanishing the grid system itself. We'll be working with that components. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Like, share, and subscribe, guys.